So, to install Starfield on Game Pass PC without issues, you have first to make sure you have an active Game Pass subscription. So, just like the ones you are seeing now, open the Xbox app on PC and sign in. Search for Starfield, then, after clicking on the game, click on Install. If you face errors, update Xbox app and gaming services, or run the app as administrator, and you can do that by left clicking the app and just click on Open as Administrator. Or the last thing is to ensure Windows Update is current, and you can do that by going to your settings, searching in the search bar for updates, and you're gonna see if you are missing on any updates. After it's installed and no issues have occurred, click play from the Xbox app and you should be able to play Starfield on Game Pass on your PC. And that's it.